GC News, Mima Ovidia Aquaba, had yet latest and hot news in Kwa enemy Bremo. Anuti, so we are subscriber ya, or more than say over subscribe to their channel. Your bayan is over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. Where the new video be uploaded when the first person I was can ASR video. I feel yeah. Now, while like the video, give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer for us now when you be here now who and summer Ekosu and Wagana Mahama. I feel you share a and summer beto your proso. Yinti a yes uncle Moya Ekosu, Yinti in some way.
Obian himself to say Kennedy Agyapong Kwaku Kasa and when you Utama Krusua Kasa. Now big men in the new patriotic party they are coming out. They are saying say the NPP should understand and admit say over fail with other areas. They should come and apologize. Now Ghana for him to because you Ghana head you. Ghana yet the buta. To that same more brochero who send a bush $100 now convert to can say be was selling this car can say be a majeska be aquaju.
Say it's also 200 media. It is said here.
Kwajo
me say only 50 cedis.
Me say scan come dey adro dey ekwa. Na say science scan ko. Na ayira. And more bag what say light bill, water bill. Just say every necessity be we bia no. The price no e so. This is Ghana for you. We need leadership, Kwajo. You hear leadership. It's not about partisan politics. Maybe NPP, but by we need leadership. People who can convince Ghanaians not to re-echo our problems to us, but give us solutions to our problems.
Okay.
That is why we call leadership. The reason why we go into the queue to go and vote, and it's a metro about my say, my welfare will come into being. My problem with the NPP and the NDC, they say, is about equalization. You say, and I was going to take over, and I was going to say, I'm a problem, say the buyer. That is our problem. They cannot give solutions to our problems. That is the kind of problem that we are going through now. We need leadership. And conformity, me agree. Because I'm going to catch up and say, come, we should know. The first sports utility vehicle, SUV.
SUV.
Yes, Okona Kopa. Be a $200,000, $300,000. Chakiba Ghana scam. Your mouth allowance, your mouth dying, your mouth be. I say just think for the ordinary Ghanaian. But ask yourself, Omunya the papa bia the titi kromu kwadu.
Omunya the papa bia na titi kromu ha. You can say Franco. Yeah. I am say you kan enko Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong.
Yes.
Ninsema waka. We say NPP omo nje omo fom so entum. Economy no enema enkoye sa na omo pa Ghana for chew ansakra na omo ba for se Ghana for nsantra ba ma ma Ghana for atoaba ediama wo kwayo leda bia because the NPP is very lucky to get someone like Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong in their midst. No matter say ebia first or can say NPP for in terms of flag bearership or no issues kakra the establishment was fighting against him and no if you come up with the credit they are not politicians. They are not politicians. Okay.
They are ordinary people. So when it comes to politics, the common language of the politician won't see.
Okay.
Now if you look at internal elections, because Ebia could be a Tufia, Quadronie, Franco near Oscar near Mensah Yepe. Na Ebia Kunyano, ye can one say, oh, Oscar Crown, Sam Fata, now Oscar Korepu, you are Oscar Koye said, me born a knockout. Ebia Quadu, or Bruta, and to the Kudan Kraman and Shadam Konkai. Yakika and Sammy near Quacotra, near you, Quadra. It means I have to come and support you. Then they are coming at all fear. But now we are moving outside our jurisdiction to go and find the main opposition. It was sudden so when Kennedy was doing his campaign, but no Kennedy, no vote. It was not coming from integral members of the NPP.
Okay.
Ordinary Ghanaians, your tone phone, your tone mode, your tone one. Oh, Kennedy Amadi Amen Twaba, Montwaba Kennedy, Mano. So if you look at the attention of Akufo Kennedy China, don't do another and your politicians. So they don't understand why Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong, as I say, establishment may fight against you, or may do attempt, they will create problems for you. Still, you go back to your NPP. But they should understand, say, because he is a politician and he still needs the NPP vehicle to get to his destination, if you need the vehicle, there's no need for you to install the vehicle. And you see a different matter.
Yeah.
Asama Kennedy Agyapong.
Okay.
Asama Kennedy Agyapong. First of all, in 2016, if you listen to the campaign of the new patriotic party, the NPP was addressing issues.
Okay.
The NPP was talking about issues. They were not attacking personalities.
Okay.
And when the NDC was attacking personalities, Akufo Addo, yes, Akufo Addo Pembano, the NPP was addressing the issues of Ghanaians. Secondly, the NPP had a strong communication team. Sometimes, we said now come here as a head of the communication team. Or join news finance. If he's trying to make analysis, you could see, this man is on top of issues. Sometimes we look at the communication team of the NPP. Every particular studio, they are talking about sectors of the economy, the challenges that we are going through, the kind of remedy that they will bring on board. When it comes to energy, Southern FM, boiling point, bare 1 hour, energy energy now, NPP party campaign against John Dramani Mahama was about the economy and then corruption.
Okay, economy and corruption.
And corruption. And John Dramani Mahama, a lot of scandals on John Dramani Mahama when he was the president.
Yeah.
John Mahama here president, you know. A married deal. $50,000, $60,000. Sada, and government to Boakye. Thank you.
Yeah.
So the NPP was punching the NDC. Secondly, the NPP made us believe, say, if you look at economy and say they see corner, it's only another Akufo Addo and the NPP who can rescue Ghanaians from this kind of problems.
Okay.
Obi Okwakoto in 2016 picture the NPP and correlated to Akufo for president. Okay. Kojo, say NPP for if they are doing their discussion, sometime and about for us J.A. Kufuor was able to make sure, say, if you look at dollar, if you look at economy generation, okay, and do baby banks, no more chasing amount for Okwakoje Bosia and Sanoma, oh, if you're a frail, Kojo, yesterday was going to be a Bosia for expand your business. Yeah, for time or not, for time. The economy was robust, the economy generation. So a lot of people bought into the idea, say, if Akufo played an integral role, J.A. Kufuor, then it means economy by generation. Okay. He was a long-serving finance minister. Yeah. He made a statement. I say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia questions are already any park was 170 questions already. 170 questions about the economy. Mahmoud Bawumia bisa papa yi sarama papa yi to be carry. Okay. It tells us that Mahmoud Bawumia, they were trying to identify the key areas, the problems of the economy and solve it. Okay. And then about for the new patriotic party. Yeah. Said so. When John Dramani Mahama was the president of the Republic of Ghana, on the 6th of January 2017, 11:59 p.m., Ofra Kognare okay, not dollar a 4.20. 4.20. The 4 CD 20 pesos. They label John Dramani Mahama as a super incompetent leader because of the dollar. Because J. Kufuor had 1.2 to 1.3. John Evans Atamas the Kobe 2.1. It is a John Mahama I moved from 2.1 and call 4.2. Then it means John Dramani Mahama is an incompetent leader. And they are starting with Kluba. Na Mama Nyadi, the Empamu Mama, and Mama Nyadi, the Empamu Mama, and Mama Nyadi, the Empamu Mama. Now the video now the Sanamano. Kwame se fact can say the major challenges of John Dramani Mahama is about the dollar and the doom so. No, say D&D. Him and the Mahama dollar near 4.2. Okay. Now the NPP bring a competent team. Omoma Bay. Now if you listen to Akufo Addo and some of car at the temple for our Lisa Hotel neck, was say no or a politician. Okay. Or no or a lawyer. But when it comes to the economy, or suddenly end the privilege about the economy. Okay. It will catch up. Say they talk about Bawumia, but they say, oh, here the papa 1 year, 1 year. Yeah. And the jail could form a community must stabilize here. And you refer Dr. Bawumia. Yeah. It's an aquado. So that you know a year or Oscar. Yeah. They are funny say camera say Oscar. That be an Oscar no way. That be a man near Jahoko. So then remember Oscar to what was going to be, you know, that it means there is a problem. Yes, sir. Or Gia or the Como be. Thank you. Or Come Benzema, you know that beginning. It's a bit me say. Time now over a Kennedy Agyapong for president. Okay. Now economy is not nice. So now dollar is around 1.2 to 1.3. A bit me say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and you know that they run the economy. As deputy Bank of Ghana governor. Yes, say. Listen to Ahirito. He was the general secretary. Say. Oh, here Asama no more car. Asama Akufo Addo catch up. They say, "Hey, Mahmoud Bawumia now stabilizing the dollar." One can the governor was Mahmoud Bawumia and stabilizing the dollar. Man, he made a preferential treatment to Mahmoud Bawumia. Say he said, "Bawumia na year." Okay. Now Bawumia comes on board as the vice president, the head of the economic management team. Thank you. Until what the Nyansa na or they stabilizing no aneba. Oko kotia na yira. was say Samira was ni kuna bi bruta.
Okay.
Na eba economy no ye kasika sam se chiriye ene se be fa so na obi na obetimi ni kuna ye adwuma.
Okay.
And eba so ampa so say Dr. Mahmoud Babia be the president. Kwado and I no ka say the dollar is around 16 Ghana cedis.
16 Ghana cedis.
Kada wabushani wabuche no sane $100 a wasane 1,600. Ono hono onso wasane uska kese ba onsane o he. The cost of living in Ghana is high.
Sir.
Kwado o faka free ha akwa kora na unika obeboka.
Yeah.
O ka obeboka. Now things are becoming too tough in Ghana. And when John Dramani Mahama was the president, it was 4.2.
Okay.
And the dollar is 16 Ghana cedis. Ubisa NPP for me part of catch us Russia Ukraine war.
Yeah.
And I be
COVID-19.
And then COVID-19 is no more in the system. But we are paying taxes on COVID-19.
COVID-19 na safe.
COVID-19. I'm asking COVID-19. Anyhow, but we are paying for it. From where I see it's an illegality.
Sir.
Baby, what was the motive there? Say it COVID-19.
So because of that COVID-19, but no introduce you.
COVID-19 away.
Anyhow,
and it's a mutual worker. Why should I pay taxes on something that doesn't exist? I didn't see mutual worker. I didn't mutual tax for her. Yeah. It doesn't exist, but you are telling me to pay tax about it. Okay. Then you want me to say, and if you look at the time John Dramani Mahama was the president of the Republic of Ghana, all the economic indicators are helping Obama at the expense of Mahmoud Babia and the NPP. I'm going to explain to you. And that will be so being the entire Ghana economy by some Russia. Obia will call fast for the end. Okay. Kwanopa should be sincere, will buy Jamai way too. Do be says, Debating a whole to I catch a papa, Jamia, Gabusia for few, and coast to come debate. Everybody has a reason of doing something. Yeah. And they are not correct. Mama time, no. Come on, let doom so no. Oh, come Mama, and cannot be said the internet doom so hard. Mama will get a problem for you. Okay. Mama will get a problem. It's a what kinds of a for many deal the about, make for way the about. It means that there was a problem. Now look at this. Kojo. If you look at John Dramani Mahama, he leaves office at 4.2. Okay. Bawumia then is 16 Ghana cedis as we talk today. Okay. Mahama then was free office call. Okay. And the time Mahama was in office, around this time, the dollar was around 3.5, 3.6. Okay. In 2016, okay, around this time, 3.5, 3.6. Yeah. This time round, I'm going to call 16. I likely say, I'm going to call 20. So, be say, 20 Ghana cedis per dollar. Yan 20. I likely. So, they do 20 cedis per dollar. And the now, when it comes to unemployment, okay, the time John Dramani Mahama was the president of the Republic of Ghana, unemployment and here Mama didn't tell Mama was our bow we are super incompetent. Now a 8.2%. And Mama, yeah, 8.2%. John Dramani Mahama free Akujaso, Akufo Addo, and Bawumia and NPP by a 14.7% unemployment. You can't say I won't tell you. I mean, Ghana. Now, what the year population sounds as weird. In 2023-2024, I say, yet now grow by 1.93. I'm about to say about 34 million. 34 million. No. So a cut of 14.7 are not working. Close to 7.5 to 8 million Ghanaians are not working. 8 million Ghanaians. They are not working. The air, what they say? Out of this, about 70 to 75% of them are youth. Mebuno are youth. And you know, the biggest congregation in Ghana now is sports betting. Obia nyaduma. Yeah. When opa ye koyi. Siamo is by 10. Na ji obia phone. When you betting up 9, obeda obia phone so. Big gross card yesu nyina. Me say, ebi da me de yesu. I don't lie, I don't fake up. Ebi da me de yesu. Ebi akoyi be bi ebi da so. Me say no siamo is ma 10. Jo obia phone, obeda betting up. So do you know why? Because you are not working. But tell you know, you was say me say Bonsuka say sports betting am a Ghanaian youth are lazy. And you are better what be. When you parliamentary since 1996, MSc 2024 you have been free office. On time you remember when you be so on your youth so on. I'm asking if you are able to identify the problem, give solutions to the problem. Okay. When you you have employed someone. Then you have say who employ you've given life to the person. Open the Oscar, man you free money and one. No one can tell the person be tired can depend so here you sir. Ni pa no so here adwuma ni pa sa wonya adwuma nkwase asem nkwase no ma na about you and how no correct tikwajo look at the youth now betting and as they say about food now the year kai If 14.7 are not working at the expense of 8. I mean, John Dramani Mahama did a better job than the NPP government. I did
employment.
I quite say NPP for catcher say economy you are doing better than John Dramani Mahama. NPP for economy who say idea 4. Esucha idea system you think will be said what we do.
There be.
So bet you say there be. And I cry your boy homebody and then you cry and can Mahama was
we do 50 CDs. I think say last one MPP be kind. I think we do 50 CDs.
Kwajo, it is a childish comment. Kwajo, so look at this. The NPP will tell the ordinary Ghanaian say, "Diakeka concern nobody what power, and things will be extremely difficult for Ghana for Beboa."
Yeah.
And then what Akoto more. Offer pen the paper and the A4 sheet co. Number one we catch up with depreciation.
That be
good. Because the ordinary Ghanaian Akoto he is not thinking about depreciation. The reason why we vote for you is to fix the problems, not to come and re-echo the problems to Ghanaians. But they can't just have for equalization. And Akwaja said that we need straightforward tankers.
You are watching GC News on YouTube.
And John Dramani Mahama and the NPP. If you look at interest rate, and again I'm not say the commercial interest rate in Ghana, so it is between 30 to 47% per annum. Let me break it down for you. And then so bank be out pay. So commercial interest rate there's a interest rate it is between 30 to 47%.
So OJ 100 million.
So 100 million. Now bank they cash 47%. Afriyie be 147 million. Oh how many? O cash o come be no cash be 30%. 1 year 130%. 130,000. How many people can go to banks and pick these facilities and open jobs?
A big good man.
Every 3 months, you have to like the Otabil. Fewer tariffs in your mind. And it tells you these are the kind of problems that we have to fix the problems. It is a smart Kennedy Agyapong. The reality is hitting the new patriotic party. Under John Dramani Mahama, a liter of fuel was 4 Ghana cedis. And the Mahama, and your 4 liters, it make you 1 gallon. 4 liters, it make you 1 gallon.
Yeah.
When Mahama was leaving office, now a 16 Ghana cedis. A gallon of fuel.
A 16 Ghana cedis. No, that time no incompetent.
Thank you. And then open 1 liter of fuel. And they say what told your Dramani the other 1 gallon. And then a liter of fuel is around 15-16 Ghana. That's how I make a choro.
Okay.
Ten up a sort of fuel. Oh, here 60 cedis as a gallon.
Tell what's immediate.
60 cedis as a gallon. The driver will pass it to the consumer. Every businessman is thinking about how to maximize profit.
Okay.
And to me, I make a fan of the free to Buras or the Bano Bedu Kuma. Neka Wabo Yaroba pass it to Oscar Koju because of more Bosaka.
But before when I did Banama miss out. Also sometimes they go on social media. TikTok, I won't say, Obia, a Kurebia say, yes, Obia Tintosi maybe was own toast way. Yes, but in a bucket in Abia, almost mammy 20 cities. But ye Babantama marketer, Abia, ye baby me and son, need about 20 cities. People think, say, yeah, the phone and I get the phone, you know, the cause of the problem that we have.
Also, no, yeah, but when my problem is, leadership is meant to fix problems. Maybe.
Okay.
Adentia Omaha cement 20 Ghana. Okwa cement 20 Ghana, cement 20 Ghana. No need to regularize it or other sectors. Maybe sir.
Okay.
Sure. Okwa baby a liter 15 Ghana, be 16 Ghana. Adentia baby a de yepe. Na omo motor no ma ukwono so enyepe. Ghana kwa na minister for agric. E me market ya kwa krantos de free Burkina. No ma catch am sambwa.
Ayakra, ya krantos morning as
thank you. That is the problem. And these are things we have to talk about it. Kwajo, inflation, I 23% and already friend another than Akufo Addo.
Last time maybe see Kojo inflation, more can I
inflation is the cost between a period as a demand and supply.
Yeah.
It's everyone say, oh, ebia mo yini boy say, we any boy say. Then it means if demand and supply is higher, it is going to affect you.
Okay.
Kwajo, if you look at John Dramani Mahama, on the 6th of January 2017, 11:59 all free office now inflation is 15.2%.
Okay.
Mahama free office now is 15.2%. And now Akufo Addo 23%.
Inflation, no.
Let me break it down for you. Kwado, time now already for the Mahama president. You cut a minimum wage. minimum wage say adwuma ye no can one pia krade
yeah
so e be Oscar ye adwuma a day e so onya sema and ajomama the minimum wage was 8 Ghana cedis
nti we adwuma a day bia na e was say amount 8 Ghana cedis
yes and Akufo Addo 18 Ghana cedis
okay
18 Ghana cedis
okay
I want to paint a picture for you how many kilos of rice and I make a bag 5 kilos times 5
okay
25 kilos and I make a bag of rice
okay
by the way and mama you work it 8 times 27 days for 4 but calculator mommy
8 times 27
and say
216 okay
so time
yeah
a bag of rice 5 kilos you know that it be a 45 Ghana cedis okay
yeah
mama time no?
yeah 45
Uncle Sam nessa let's say
yeah
but 45 times 5
45 times 5
let's say
225
meaning say do 216 no onya be 9 cedis so so otimi to a bag of rice
okay
a bag of rice and minimum wage 18 Ghana cedis
okay
multiply 18 by 27
18 times 27
yes
486
thank you me mo me nya me woska me to abi di no your friend pozo
okay
and 720 Ghana cedis see 720 but 18 times 27
18 times 27
yes
486
when I mean the 490
okay
490 no me here do send am the associates but to a bag of rice
490 what the 720 we are 230 Ghana cedis
meaning say and that John Dramani mama let me to me me minimum are you when they try me can a bag of rice and Akufo Addo I need additional money I square by around 2.3 or 2.4 to get a bag of rice and that John Dramani mama now I want born which we told me 35 no 40 Ghana cedis and then I'm 1.70 200 300 and then me catch on me say I see here 1 cup and 9 Ghana cedis
and 1 cup
and then I will talk me
it didn't know to 100 cedis and some 50 cedis mina
me say we ba wadu e je ne e bia kwado ye tua ka 500 Ghana cedis o ka sa o kwa Akoto to no ma sa atamna to be to a bag of rice no e bia na je so bia to be to 2 kilos 5 kilos no what the 10 year maso so if you look at the economic hardship at Akoso Okroba it tells us that there is a serious problem the NPP government have to fix and then oko Ukraine and Russia Ukraine when it comes to inflation 3.2 baby a top bomb and it's how money inflation 3.2 Ghana and I'm 23% but still they go 4% they want to convince us so mama money papa kwajo tempia me kasa me opportunity here I will always speak the truth I don't care how people will feel
okay
me I mean for me fine I don't care the time I was pointing John Dramani left right center baby I make kind of they felt good about it if the truth is not against you don't feel pain the truth is a better pill kind of question the NPP still they can do something but that's the NPP still they can do something
yeah
and now that no can say things are extremely difficult and tough in Ghana now no can understand I'm saying 1.9 million youth are idle
yeah
what I say I'm going to be able to show me the bend sa tramo I'm the bend cocaine sa no mano o pebia na so nya no mo a obaba be wiawade
wo na wo ko back akra no 2 cedis no bi o de second baba gina so
no won say 14.7 ah o mo nya no Ghana no e threat to national security
yeah
and other ya fa the sport ni wura ye de no obo mpassment to kwa bia nsi wo Ghana ti bi de no the one be companies wo Ghana no obo mpassment to kwa bia nsi wo Ghana and to kwasi wo Ghana wa bretu agu they to bretu agu se bra wa bre woni wiase nyina no some few seconds o ye de ya wo mresa wo side o shopping o ye be so babo bomb e bia be 2 months kwa no onye
yeah o che o de be 3 months kwa na yeah hajuma
my you fufu nya se sia mfa bo mfa se kane aba o be dragu se sia it o ye de yi a o brecha se o side no this youth we 1.9 e be 14.7 no man to konsi se sia de mo bi to de se kan wa ku de kra oni bibi ha wo kroba any property there.
No.
It feeling okay. So it is a nice opportunity for me to make sure somebody make them you for a brand ready. And this is one problem we have to fix. This is one problem we should understand. What take Kennedy Asana or Kana? And your conditional statement too. Kennedy is not doing autocratic leadership. Kennedy is advising them. Yet, now could you have Franco? You're so permanent. On no one's do. And a kind of count about who called the MP.
Yeah.
And to all passes at the free home. Or cast out some trivia. And you may be duty and responsibility whether to take it or not.
Sir.
I have to Supreme Court. Time amount for court Supreme Court. I'm catching Supreme Court say they won the first say the council. We are quite firm. So I'm going to Akufo Addo for the question say.
State Council of States.
Yes. And say you did bra change chamber. So we took president first president Efa. Supreme Court to say a foot through and your force. A foot through and your force. Men are them hold a messy about the pen. And I saw by you one. They saw about one. Oh, how did they?
I want to be for change.
And to before me pamefa. Me pamenfa.
Sanity.
What's second a compare called the Pasama or Kana? Kennedy Agyapong say they should admit their mistakes and they should apologize. Meboa. To take Kennedy as son of person. First of all, has the leadership of the new patriotic party seen and admitted that there is a mistake and there is a problem? There's a difference between say willingly, who could you want to why you benzima bone and why you bread bone? Decide how to there is a difference, and as I say, a man was a corner copacho. A 2 things. Every I don't know why you know who from so be a wahoo, but a man for one body would say from so corner copacho. Every so also would say from so 1, 2. Does the leadership of the new patriotic party will admit and say they are going to apologize to? 3. It's now the leader of the new patriotic party, Dr. Bawumia, who was touted as the economical messiah, the one person who understands the economy. Or Mensah to say he has failed on the economy.
Another question.
These are questions I say, Bisa.
Okay.
Now, people around Dr. Bawumia, are they going to allow him to go and apologize? But I want to give you an example. As some TBC, or Biakas Akwajo Anyadi, if you are now for 45 or forgetting and then I see. Amasa probably be cry. Oko pacho kramasa wa below ho. Oko pacho bia kra make say we get serious. Masa, we are bemba yenko. So you weigh this pro and cons for you to get a decision.
Okay.
Kwajo, I'm going to read something for you.
Okay.
Apology. There were 5 types of apology. Yes, apology there were 5 types. Obviously, the common situation that require one to be given an honest apology are often emotionally overheated and almost in some sort of conflict. And now they say, apology, and they say, my yard dear, I show a sign of remorse and says, I deal with my dead year willingly. So casa willingly is not under duress. One casa will pay many gave me a tour. Yeah. But then I who said my body willingly coming from my inner being. O kone che no bungu to be. Islam so fa cheme. Me the baby so willingly. And I akwa pacho. Say yan fa say esiwie na anya wanyo so be kona na fufu so tufu. Say Jack. Get the bra wa bro ho no so si pewa say we obekwa ko bo duare sa no mana. You look at the condition and circumstances. Now they are taking decisions akwa pacho. A chopper is under duress. A chopper are willing. Which one is Kennedy talking about? Is it the willing one or is it the duress one? Because are they willing to go and apologize?
Another question.
That is the multi-million question. Now, when you say apology, when people think of giving an honest apology, a remorse apology is often what they are thinking of. A remorse apology requires that the apologizer fully acknowledges their behavior hurt another and believe their hurtful behavior was wrong. But so willingly my year job one day. Because lock me who them in a closet. Kwajo, my nadia, my bunko to Japan. I mean, they say my actions and inactions has affected you. And you'll be an account. Say it has affected you. When it comes to apology, we have 2 types of apology. There was the unqualified apology and a qualified apology. A qualified apology be that apoye. He was still trying to re-echo the reason why he said say or pacho. Apology ba it should be a rendered unqualified apology. You don't have any issues to explain.
Yo itipo wene and sema aba betuga. Mkause disi news so and our no. So we are subscribe ya bomodi say over subscribe and one like it nafi wa share video no. Isa say hadie latest and hot news kwa. And I'm the bravo. Also betimi ache what you Afriyie and some way na ho ewo comment box no. Mobeti nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.